Hidden in the countryside of Brittany, Château de Montmuran stands as a powerful reminder of medieval France. Surrounded by calm landscapes, this fortress reflects centuries of history, strategy, and noble life. The origins of Montmuran date back to the Middle Ages, when strongholds like this were built to protect territories and control important routes. Its thick walls and defensive towers were designed not only to impress, but to defend and endure. Over the centuries, the chateau evolved with the changing needs of its owners. While it maintained its military strength, it gradually became a residence shaped by comfort and refinement. This balance between power and elegance defines Montmuran today. The castle also holds an important place in Breton history. It witnessed conflicts, political changes, and generations of noble families who left their mark on its architecture and identity. From above, the scale and harmony of Château de Montmuran become even more striking. Its towers rise naturally from the surrounding countryside, creating a silhouette that feels both strong and timeless. Unlike many famous royal chateaux, Montmuran carries a quieter presence. It tells a story not only about power, but about resilience, continuity, and life shaped by history. Today, Château de Montmuran remains a symbol of Brittany's heritage. A fortress transformed by time, standing as a silent witness to centuries of French history.